Unlocking the secrets of English articles. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of English grammar. Specifically, we'll be discussing a fundamental topic: articles and their usage rules. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of when and how to use the definite and indefinite articles in English. So, let's get started. To start, let's briefly recap what articles are. In English, articles are types of determiners that precede and modify a noun. They give us information about the noun, such as whether it's specific or general, known or unknown. There are two types of articles: definite, the, and indefinite, a, n. The definite article, the, is used when referring to a specific noun that is known to both the speaker and the listener. We use the when we believe the listener knows exactly what we're referring to. Here's an example. Please pass me the pen. In this sentence, we're referring to a specific pen that both the speaker and the listener can identify. Moving on to indefinite articles, we have a and n. These are used when we're talking about a non-specific or general noun. In other words, when the exact identity of the noun isn't important or known. For example, consider the sentence, "I need a pen." Here, it doesn't matter which pen is given to the speaker. Any pen will do. Remember, a is used before words that start with a consonant sound, and n is used before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, a cat, but an apple. Of course, like any rule in English grammar, there are exceptions and special cases when it comes to using articles. For example, we usually don't use articles with plural nouns and uncountable nouns when we mean all or any of that thing. We'll say, "Cats are fun," not, "The cats are fun," when we mean all cats in general. Also, remember that many geographical names, especially continents, countries, and cities, don't typically take an article. For instance, we say, "I live in France," not, "I live in the France." And that's it for our lesson on definite and indefinite articles in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to apply these rules in your daily English usage. Don't worry if you make mistakes, they're an important part of the learning process. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of determiners. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.